Hi, first loves. Hi, welcome in. 𝒮𝓰𝑔𝑬𝑄, mabuhay, and you are all back with me, first Sai. And I don't know if I will tell you that I'm back, but I have a new video for you wherein I'm going to feature some Pandora hauls from Pandora online store. Well, I am not able to visit the Pandora stores when there was a sale, but I was able to order online and I'll be showing them to you. One is ordered from Black Friday and another was ordered before that, and I decided to put them on one video. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for this first box, I have two items and then I am going to share them to you. So they didn't give paper bag or stuff like that, but I have them right here. These are my two orders. I'm going to be needing this too, so I will see. So the first item that I have here with me is this one, and I have been wanting this since the moment that this came out. But yeah, I know that you're gonna like this too. It got sold out right away. It was out of stock from the moment that it was released, and I'm really happy that I was able to finally get my hands on this beautiful purple cabochon ring. The name, yeah, that was the name. Purple cabochon statement ring. Item number is 197678ACZ, and it's size 54 because it is the only sizes available there. I wear size 48, 50, and 52. Sometimes I buy up to 54, even 56. And the way that I could wear that is that I'm going to do a stacking, which I am going to show to you right now. So if you can see, I have some rings right here, which is the amethyst. Well, I have the serenity over here, and then I have the amethyst, and then I have this, oh, I forgot the name of this one. Yeah, but I can actually go ahead and borrow the two. So if you have seen my stacking videos, I have stacking videos. If you haven't, go ahead and check it out. Just type in first Zai stacking, ring stacking, or maybe I can put the link down below so you can see other styles that I was able to make. So this is what I'm going to do. I can put this one first at the bottom as the base, and then I can put the cabochon ring. And then to seal it so it doesn't fall, I am going to put something on top. Well, as you see, that statement ring become more crazy statement ring. And you know, if you have been watching me for quite a long time, that I love to wear rings in the middle finger. So then again, I can just put it right there. And then so. And then that. You can also use other rings that you would like to go ahead and stack with this one. I have a rope ring from Pandora that I can use, but if you see, that is really nice. Ta-da! This purple cabochon statement ring. Look majestic with this sterling silver cocktail ring embellished with royal inspired motif and an alluring purple cubic zirconia stone in the classic cabochon cut. Feel like a queen from Asian times, and that's so true. I feel like a queen with this one. It's really nice, and wow, I really love this stacking. That is amazing. I love stacking rings like this and making the statement ring a more crazy statement ring. Next item, yes, so I have two, and you know how much I love Pandora rings, and soon, hopefully before the year ends, if not, it will be at the beginning of the year, I will show you my 100 plus Pandora rings. I think it's like 120 or something if I'm not mistaken. So yes, and this is the next ring that I'll be showing to you, and it's ta-da! And this one is called the Princess Tiara crown ring. Unfortunately, it's also in size 54. It's gonna be hard to stack this one unless I do the one on top and then one on the bottom. I could show you because I have one more right here on my drawer. So I wanted to collect them all, but the rose gold version of this Princess Tiara ring does not go on sale. Like, why? Why? Maybe I have to wait for a 3 for 2 and finally get that ring so I have them all complete. Yeah, so this at the bottom is the original Princess Tiara ring in silver with cubic zirconia in the middle. And then on the top, of course, is the shine one, and I don't have the rose one yet. So what I was thinking is that you can actually go ahead and stack this if you really want this ring, but you saw it on sale and then there's no more size, then do the same thing that I will do. So stack this ring at the bottom like so, and while the tip of the crown is facing downward, grab another ring. It doesn't have to be the same Princess Tiara ring, and then put it on top like so, and then yes, and now you have a nice Pandora ring stack like so. Because this is the only way that I see this getting stacked. Otherwise, I will not be able to wear this until I wait for a miracle that I see this on my size, either 50 or 52. But 54 is okay. Actually, I can do it like this. But you know how it is when we wear rings that are bigger size, it's gonna go round and round and round your finger. That's what's gonna happen. Yeah, but yeah. Or otherwise, can put it on the thumb. I barely wear thumb ring, but yeah, that could be nice too. Oh my gosh, look at this stack. Look at that stack. Oh, I cannot get enough of this one. Amazing. Okay, so there, and that's 2 of the items that I got from Pandora. And then I have another haul, and this one I bought from Black Friday sale, but oh my god, I was so surprised. Like, seriously, is this Pandora? Like, you see how the usual Pandora boxes are, and this is so small. Okay, let's check. Okay, box it like so. Oh my goodness, seriously, it's a very tiny box. It's tiniest Pandora box ever. Oh my gosh, yeah, that was like a stingy box. I kid you not. It looks like this now. This is the new unboxing experience. Is this gonna be how it is, Pandora, from now on if we order from Pandora online store? Oof. Okay. But at least they say thank you for shopping at Pandora over there. Okay. I'm not so impressed. I'm not so impressed by this box. It's like this now. And I will show you some close-ups too, like whatever. Okay, so of course they have the return. If you wanted to return it or exchange it, and then of course they have the order number with the receipt, and no bags again. They used to provide bags before. So I have 2 items in here, and then the first item that I'm going to share to you is in this box. Okay, it's like so, and oh my gosh, look, this is the unboxing experience now, like that, and that's the item. Okay, so this item is no other than the Pandora Locket logo, or the Pandora Rose floating locket charm. The reason why I decided to get this on this sale is because I have oh, sorry about that. I have Pandora Rose chain that I got from Valentine's Day of 2018, if I'm not mistaken. And so I have this Daisy pendant charm in here, and then I wanted to go ahead and try to replace that with this one. It's so tiny though. This is actually meant for bracelet, as a pendant charm for a bracelet, but I wanted to do it like this. There's really a Pandora Rose floating locket that's bigger than this one. I don't think that's on sale anymore, so I grabbed this one instead. And it's gonna look like this. And it's gonna look like this. It's very simple. It's just a tiny locket. And you can fit just one floating locket charm on that one. Yes, okay, so that's the first item that I got for Black Friday sale on the Pandora eStore. And once again, this is the Pandora Rose Floating Locket Charm. And it says, crafted from Pandora Rose, this hued or blush hued floating locket charm brings a vintage flair to your bracelet design. The versatile design lets you decide that special memories you wish to display at any time. Yes, so that means that you can put any floating locket or petite charms that you wanted inside it. And last but not the least, for my Pandora eStore haul for Black Friday is in this box. And this is the Dazzling Locket pendant necklace. Encased in elaborate swirls, this sterling silver locket inspired necklace pendant is filled with stones in pink and purple hues, adjusting the sliding clasp on the necklace for the perfect fit. So this is adjustable, and I believe that this is the size was 70, or US size they call it 27.6 in inches. Yeah, so there. This is pretty. This is really pretty. I remember all the other items that are together with this collection. Actually, also this ring was part of that collection. So I'm really happy to see this on the sale on a better price than what it was before. Okay, so it is the kind of the new adjustable necklace that Pandora has, wherein there's a ball here, and then you could just like pull it depending on which size you want, if you want it smaller or if you wanted it longer. So it depends on your outfit, on your mood, and how you wanted to design your necklace for that day. So let's see, maybe I'll do the maximum so I have a layer. I love layering necklaces, but I'm not sure if this is like the perfect layer for this time. So we have this at the moment. So you see, it's very pretty. That's very pretty. Okay, so that's it for today. We have 4 Pandora items, and I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed unboxing, although honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed with this box. Like, what happened to the other type of Pandora boxes, like the bigger version of this? This is really a cheaper version of the box. Like, I did not as cheaper. So, I don't know if Pandora's is going, if they're gonna be using this type of boxes from now on, or if they just wanted to save space on shipping or whatnot. Well, I have lots of Pandora boxes anyway, so I don't, I'm not really so crazy about this one, but I just feel like, well, why? What happened? What happened? I'm not used to this type of box, but yeah, so there you go. Yes, and I will be filming a lot more Pandora videos. Hopefully, because I have a humongous haul of Pandora retired charms, and then I have my Christmas bracelets coming up. Also, I have my Pandora two-tones. That was a tag from last year from Amy Elizabeth that I haven't done yet, which I have to do very soon. I will be having a swap, a long overdue swap with Mary of Pandora Dreams by Mary on Instagram. So that's coming up soon. And I'll be waiting for some nice essence charms from Jandra that I ordered way back. So those are the upcoming videos that I hope I will be able to film soon. So just an update, the reason why I'm not able to do lots of videos that I used to before. I even did like a vlogmas last year, right? But today, this year I cannot because lots of things have happened. Dad died. I wanted to escape depression in a way that I am working 3 jobs right now, almost 4, sticking to 3, but they're really fun. And then if you wanted to know what jobs I am having right now and how I'm doing, let me know, and maybe we can do like a chit chat, get ready with me video wherein I do accessorize myself and then we chat about life. I have lots of perfume videos coming up. In fact, after this video, I am going to film some hauls, long overdue hauls of my Juicy Couture, Juicy Couture haul, Juicy Couture unboxing, and other perfumes. So that's coming soon, and then I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any video requests, put it down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a comment. It always inspires me to do more videos because sometimes I feel like I wanted to really like completely quit and stop and just focus on my job, but seeing your requests, your PMs to me on Instagram, your comments on my YouTube videos makes me happy and inspires me to do more videos. So let's see if I will still continue. But I love you all, I miss you, and I'm wishing you happy holidays. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya.